Hi, everyone. Happy April. April 1st, April Fool's Day. Turtle, turtle, turtle. End of the first quarter. A lot going on. Big day. And we have a workout called Kansas City. All right. Here it is. So, classes tomorrow, 5:15, 9 a.m., and 4 p.m. Also, I need to add on here the late night with Sarah Hill stretch session at 8 p.m., all on the same bat channel right there. So we have a workout that is 5 rounds. Each round is 3 minutes, but it's basically just a continuous workout, right? So we are taking a total of rounds and reps. So wherever you stop, that's where you will start again after a mandatory 1 minute rest, right? So in other words, it's kind of, it would be a 20-minute workout, right? So 4 total minutes, 5 rounds. However, you are resting on that 3 minutes of work, 1 minute mandatory rest, and then pick up where you left off. All right, so the movements are 6 burpees, 8 alternating single arm squat cleans. Let's do a quick video of that together. So you are alternating the head of the dumbbell, both heads of the dumbbell would touch the ground between the legs each time, and we are trying to squat below parallel on the catch. And at the same time, we're trying to squat underneath it. So little shrug at the top, arm stays straight as long as possible, and we end up in a nice, strong, stable position at the bottom. You dancing? All right, so that's the second movement where there'd be 8, 4 per arm, and then 10 lateral over and back dumbbell hops. So in other words, it's 20 based on the old count, but basically 1, 1, 2, 2. So that's a new standard that we're setting, 2 equals 1. So if you do not have a dumbbell, you could just use an odd object such as, backpack for cleans. That would be 2 arms, full squat cleans, 8 total reps. I think I covered it. Let's just double check. So 3 minutes on, 1 minute off. So when you're done with the dumbbell hops, you will go back and start with the burpees again, right? So 6, 8, 10, 6, 8, 10, and continue that way. Standard burpees today, hitting the chest to the ground, and then full extension at the top. We ensure that with a little clap overhead. Not that you have to do that, but we do want to make sure we have full extension. Already mentioned that both heads hit the ground. Alternate hands each rep. And again, the score will be the total rounds plus reps for all 5 AMRAPs. All right, so that's the score that you'll enter. I want to fix that because we're not going to do 5 different rounds, but we're going to just continue and have it. I think it's just a little easier that way. So we'll continue where we left off, and then at the end, just have 1 score, rounds and reps. Okay, for the warm-up, 30-second hollow hold, 200-meter jog, pass-throughs, which you should know, and the interim push-up. Now, just a quick note on the jog, especially since today, the Tuesday workout, we did have running. If running not necessarily for everybody with the situation that we're in, don't have the luxury to run, you could always, in these cases, kind of like 200 meters equals 1 minute. So it could be 1 minute of jumping jacks, dot hops, running up and down the stairs, right? You can give yourself a set of stairs. You could give yourself a count based on some practice. How long would it take? It might be 5 to 10 times up and down. So things like that. Burpees are always an option. Gus is getting in trouble. Burpees are always an option, although obviously, they're not the favorite option, but you get the idea. So anytime we're running, often the idea is just heart rate. So something we could do to elevate the heart rate, hi Zoe, will suffice. And I think that's it. So hopefully I see you on Zoom class. If you have not done that yet, you can expect to be hearing from me eventually, making my rounds. Um, but make it happen. And if you're not sure, reach out to me and I will explain how it goes. All right. Take care. See you soon.